The Philadelphia project in mainline Philly, we're going to do a staging makeover of this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath property that's located in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. So when I got to the property, the owners had moved out and they left me random stuff to stage it with. So I had my hands full. This is the first small bedroom, very tiny. This is the second small bedroom, very tiny, but we had to do something to make it look livable. This is the shared bathroom. It's a full bath. All had been redone recently in the last few years. So the first thing we did was have the entire house completely cleaned so that we were starting with a clean slate. Then we had all of their stuff that we had to clean out and finally organize. They just brought in a lot of stuff. We ordered a few extra pieces to put together. This is the primary bedroom. It's a hot mess now. It'll be better. They have a nice walk-in closet here that still has to be cleaned out. I have a lot to do over the next day. This is their bathroom. Really cute. Black sink. It can be a problem. Keep that in mind if you want a black sink. It shows everything. So they have this sun porch that was actually an outdoor space that they enclosed into an all year round sunroom, a Florida room. Added this back porch, huge enclosed backyard with fencing all the way around. There's a fire pit back there. We're going to dress that up too, and a garage. So in the lower level, we have a full basement that's finished. We had everything touched up, all the paint touched up, push some of this furniture around. It's in the wrong place. We're going to fix it. They have another full bath down here, and then this is a mud room. Now, all the work is done. The front porch is dressed. It's cute. We put a little outdoor carpeting, some plants, and now inside, da-dum, everything is picture perfect, ready for photographs coming later in the day. Everything is organized. This home is on the small side. It is in excellent condition, having been renovated over the last few years, but it really has an enormous kitchen for such a small footprint. Now, this is one of the small rooms. What we did here is we put an inflatable mattress. Those are fake. And then we put it on legs so that it's raised up a little bit. And we did the same thing in this room. Basically, I just wanted to show buyers that these could be legitimate bedrooms. If you have kids, babies, perfect. And then you have this full bathroom that we cleaned up, new curtain, a little plants we added, a little bit of artwork, super simple. Just wanted it to be clean and show worthy when buyers looked in. I mean, it's in excellent shape. It looks virtually brand new. Tile is great. Floor is great. Super simple bathroom. Shows really well. So this is the main area. When you walk in, it's got a big wall of closets on the right. We did this little setup here by the front door for your coats and keys. When you come down here, we dressed this little area. Again, everything was touched up in the whole house. The paint, everything is crisp and clean. Primary bedroom. Again, we did an inflatable bed. Super simple nightstands. This is a queen, but you could certainly put a king in there. Cleaned out this closet, dressed it slightly with baskets. Same with this primary bathroom. It's not a big bathroom, but it's virtually new, shows really well. We just added a few accessories, and really it's ready to be photographed. It's in excellent condition. So out on the sunroom porch, we decided to add sort of an eating area out here. Since there's not really a formal dining room, there's no reason you couldn't set up an eating area, which is what we did. We purchased this for like $300 on Wayfair, table and chairs, and did this setup outside. We added a sort of a floating TV situation out here with the lounge chair. Again, this space is flexible. It could be used as anything. Dining, just a sunroom to sit and relax. Outside, we moved this little setup here by the railing, cleaned up everything out here. And then we set up a few chairs and some plants down by the fire pit because that's a great place to hang out as well. It really is a super, super nice starter home for a single person. It's fantastic. For a young couple, this is a perfect home. In the basement, is another large living area. Again, you could use this as home office, but it is a great room to hang out in because it's a perfectly self-contained TV room, super cozy. We moved the furniture around down here to make it just feel a little homier. Out here, washer dryers here on your left. You've got a full bathroom down here with a big shower. And this room, again, we just accessorized, cleaned up, and made it look ready to take photos. Big linen closet behind this bathroom, tons of storage. And this bathroom also is in excellent shape. So 3 full bathrooms in this house. And down here, we set up a beautiful little TV area. It's really just very, very cozy, warm, totally livable space down here. Photographs are going to be fantastic. This home is in immaculate condition to sell, and it's just a matter of staging it and setting it up to show people how you could live. This home also is available fully furnished. Optionally, you could buy everything in it and just move right in. But it really, really turned out incredible. Beautiful, beautiful, warm, warm, inviting colors, textures in the house. It just has everything you could want. Indoor, outdoor space is really, really a great place to hang out. Totally weatherproof. Perfect, perfect setup for a young family or a young couple buying their first home. The list price of this property is $599,000, and it was on the market one day before it sold for $625,000.